Aye.
And probably.
Yeah, but anyway. Wait, yeah, that is the thingy where I was last year. So yeah, so check that video out if you haven't seen it. Yeah, we're at the cricket club. Hiya. Alright. Yes. Yeah, last week. Aye. Going crazy.
There you go now before it starts.
Yeah, come on then, let's get in and get the stuff.
We'll get something. Anyway, I am going to be filming a lot more footage now than I did last. Anyway, we're inside the cafe, as you can see. This is the cafe. And also, there's a lot of people around. Got people people above. But anyway, this film is going to be starting right now. We're going to hunt. See who's coming, who hasn't. Yo what, I'm going to do something which I did not expect to do this year. Try and find who is, and I wonder who is that up there? Who is it? We're going to find who that is. Last year, I was up there last year. Wandering. Just a soup. You might not be.
Love him up in the air.
Hunt.
It's going down!
I bet. You know what? And also, I'm going to be filming whoever. I'm going to film everyone. You know what? Go up here around here. Got many. We're going to sing it. I'll find out who it is after the fireworks. I better get going. I'll be back. Who is it? There's sirens and spotlights going on. Spotlights. I hope. You know what? I'm gonna be back later too. Yeah. You know what? We got a lot of people everywhere. You know what? We got a lot of people everywhere. Got Jack, Honor, something. Got many. Woo! Who's it? You'll find out who it is. I'm Jacob Lewis. I'm gonna be filming.
Hi, how are you doing?
I think. Back. We're filming a bit longer video. Need to try and find them now. Try and find the family. Where are they? Where are they gone? Where's they got to? nothing, go on. Well, I would have found. Take that out. Quick spot there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I was over there again for a bit, then I was looking for you.
He just doesn't think
Oh yeah. I saw it.
Yeah, hello.
Boy, because for an extra 15 minutes after the fireworks. I mean, after.
No.
I mean, like, so I can film people, talk, a little talk. So I can have a film, we'll have a little talk before we go, please.
No.
Please.
Don't the fireworks.
I am doing it. Matthew. Alright. 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 How long are the fireworks going on for? Half an hour? I might stay for 10 minutes. You're alright. I'm alright. I might come back here, then go there, come back here.
Harry!
I can't believe it.
If I was an apple pie, the apple inside would be orange. That's how much I am.
Look at that one.
If I was an apple pie, the apple inside would be orange. That's how much I am.
Split it.
I'm not just great. I've got 7 businesses. I'm only 14 years old. I can fly. I'm the best worker in this whole process. I'm gonna win. Stop it. You're missing the way of it.
We've joined a video club called lovefilm.com. You know that one is advertised on the telly? Yeah. We've got 2 videos sent to us. Yeah, they just sent you them. Yeah, and you just want them back for free.
I might actually. This is a bit tons of people. What?
Let's see this t-shirt.
You want to see a t-shirt? What filming?
I'm bad recording. Can you hold the camera? Can you hold the camera, please? It's the other way around.
Oh, that way.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Very much.
Turn around.
Turn round, you want to see the back?
So the tour dates.
Oh, let's hear it.
God. I'll have to grab the camera. I'm going to be... Go do 5 more minutes.
5 minutes. Rise.
I'm going to be having a little wander around.
5 minutes, be quick.
5 minutes. This is a really fun. Tons and tons. This is a really fun. Tons of people. Tons of people. November 5th, 2012, and we're going to Bonfire Night. The burger on the Barbie! Oh, it's just gorgeous. Here's the burger. Guy Fawkes is going to be tossed as sausages by the time. I know what Forksy's going to be toasted to sausages by the time this bonfire is over. It's going to be toasted like on a barbie with burger and chips. Oh yeah, and Del Boy's going to be coming off going,
Yummy, yummy, it's Guy Fawkes for the yummy, yummy, it's Guy Fawkes for burger and chips.
yeah. Yeah. Cotton Eye Joe. Oh, if there's a disco going on in the barn, what happened if some Scandinavian hillbillies came in and started singing Cotton Eye Joe? Right? But I didn't for Cotton Eye Joe, I feel, ow, where'd you come from, ow, we come from Cotton Eye Joe. Bonfire. We're gonna shine that at all, we're gonna shine this light around the bonfire. I do this every year. Oh. If you could see it. Come on, we're gonna go. This is. I've got a little job to do for me. Oh. I apologize. There is a Barbie going on somewhere. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right at the back. Disco going out like. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'll be going near. I'll be filming the other guys. Bonfire. Oh. Jack. Oh, so Jack, say hi.
Alright, Jacob.
Alright. So, and also, how's it been on my videos? I forgot to mention. Oh, good, yeah. Yeah. Come on, baby. Come on.
Oh, massive one!
Wait a minute, that's one minute. I think Oh, well, it's stopped. Oh, I think the show's. Well, it's stopped. I think the show's over for now. I think I've just put all this on YouTube and say. Oh no, it isn't. The show's not over. Oh no, it isn't. The show's not over. It's not over. The show must go on. Actually, that's one way to put it. Anyway, I've been planning this for a long time. Go on, I'm gonna. Ouch, that's gotta hurt in the morning. Ah, maybe not. Oh. What's happened to me? I really don't know what's happened to me roast dinner. That's the question. Me roast dinner has just nearly... I've had me roast dinner anyway. Well, they let me down and they've grabbed me a burger for a flaming hot burger. Again, we are at Lordstones on the top of Cleveland Bank, and just over the top of the hills you can see Cleveland. Whoa, Harry!
I know.
Harry's wandered behind me like a gorilla, going. Right, guys, I'll see you in a moment. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. An even bigger roast dinner for me this year. I need to, yeah, a big roast dinner. More my chicken, beef in there, vegetables, everything. Yeah, get closer. Let's get closer to me roast dinner. I am going to be filming here first, and then once we get out of here, I am going to be filming at a chip shop in Stokesley. Wait, just a second. Just a second. There's a huge bonfire over there. Yeah. Yeah. That reminds me, you know, it could be right with the house coops I've got. The house is box. Yeah. Yeah, hey!
Yeah, I jumped on the cup and
Well, okay, get the torch on them, get the torch on here. Say it.
Listen, you two.
Yeah.
Listen, you two. We're right near it.
I know. I know. It's
What's in this?
I think you can see him from here.
yeah, it's the banter.
I just want to quickly show you something. Yeah. Just want to quickly show you something, guys. Since we're at the top, this is Cleveland. Teesside. Over there. I don't know if you can see, but get closer.
Banter!
I'm only seeing Bambi again. Yeah. I've got yay. I don't know if you can see on camera, but that's the whole of Cleveland down there. Yeah. Here it is down there. That's Cleveland, Teesside, North Yorkshire. There's a tiny. You know what? 1 minute. I've zoomed in again, just a second. Sorry, I'm just going to zoom back out again. 1 minute. I don't know. Can you see me now? Oh, there we are. Yep. Down there. This is Cleveland, Teesside, North Yorkshire. You know, excellent paradise. Well, anyway, I've got to get back now. What? Well, I don't know if you could see on the camera, but if you can see, well, there are little distant flashes going off. Those are fireworks. Me roast dinner seems to be nearly ready. I wonder how on camera so go. Oh yes, my roast dinner's nearly ready. Oh yeah, what for dinner? Turkey. I've got the bonfire, so yep. Yep. Well, mate, and when it gets to 3 minutes, I'll stop the clip and I'm going to take a photo of this bonfire.
Thursday morning. Remember the Wednesday, 5th of November.
Yeah. Remember the 5th of November. Oh, yep.
Oh, you just got the hit at home.
To that bonfire guys down and do it when they're clear, or fireworks.
Hey! Oh, you're not. This bonfire night's excellent. I'm gonna film the fireworks now. Hey! It's fire! What's that? Drive yourself, that's all. My camera's warming up a bit. I'll do a quick after this. I'll do a quick kind of food. That was a big one. Another one coming. Ooh. Hey! Woo! It's a full moon. Remember this date. My sparker's cacking tonight, eh? Hey! Hey, I wonder if I could Granville, mate. I bet the people of open arms cry. Oh, hey, Granville, it's just progress. You know. The fires are rocking, Granville, and they're firing it all over into the sky.
Dangerous to be too near the fire.
Yeah, back.
One take up.
So it was like, ahoy, hey, woo, hey, hey, fireworks, baby.
Come on, fella.
Oh. Just like paradise. Yes? Yeah. I'm getting some really good quality footage on there for my channel. This is an amazing fireworks, like paradise. Stars it. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hey! Yeah, they're getting
bigger.
yeah, they're getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know. This reminds me of a little cannons and tanks in a warfield, battlefield, right? Boom, 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 boom. Ow. One minute, I'm gonna get the torch out. I'm just kidding. Oh yeah! Oh, they're all getting bigger. Hey!
Wow.
Yeah. We should come here again next year. Yeah. You know what? The next place we're going to go to now. Peace.
Like them, they're right in front of it. They don't even know we're here. How can you not hear?
It's doner kebab.
Because I know you're all gone.
Well, you know, this is a treat, isn't it? It's not every day you usually have this. Margarita.
So,
really
you've got 3 pieces, so
ooh.
there's another cheese piece for you and me, Ella. And one for Daddy as well, if you want one. Oh, Daddy's got 3 actually.
I've got 3 as well.
Whoever
But me
wants
and you and me.
Yeah. Oh yeah, sorry, yeah.
And then one.
Guy Fawkes isn't there, is he? Fun like all the
Let them get on with it.
Right, go on. I'm joking. It is re-burning now.
I know, it's nice.
Really, really, really. Give it a minute. I'm cut it out if you do it. Goodness, you sure don't mind if I...
No, it's fine.
Alright, yeah. Oh! That went off at the right moment.
Right, we'll catch you in a bit.
Yeah.
See you in a bit.
Yeah. My pudding's inside those fireworks, you know. Got a few right crackles for me pudding in there tonight.
Your pudding?
No, I'm joking.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
You're good then, aren't you?
Yeah.
Right. We'll catch you in a bit, Jacob. See you in a bit.
Okay. See you later. Yeah. Looks like... Hey! See nothing. Oh, it's like in the circus. Oh. Yep. Why? Hope it doesn't split your camera. The roast is burning wild and funny. Mummy, I'm going to have a little quick chat to Jack after this about, you know, then I'm going to come back over here. I mean, over there, then I'm going to come back. Ooh. Yeah, it's in my pocket for now. Well, hey. Don't want. Here I am, rock you like a hurricane. I did. I feel syringe for motivation. I'm joking. Oh. I said something about the Barbie, didn't I? Right, the back barbecue with the back. White. Damn Dabby Dozy. Yeah, you know what? Bonfire Night yet again. Doing this. I'm having
having a burger, all from a salute of the Barbie, right back there, what you saw in the last clip. Well, anyway, this is going to be a very fab bonfire night. Oh, I've seen this. Oh.
In the corner right there. I didn't see that last time, actually, so yeah, well anyway. I could say this could be quite a good setting for a disco. Your farm disco, I could say, like the arena going like where the now. Or what about those Scandinavian hillbillies called Cotton Eye Joe going like anyway, what else was again? The Barbie, Van Dabby Dorsey. Anyway, quite good as well. Anyway, yeah. Overhead pan moments ago behind me. Vermont, as you can see, I'll see you off somewhere. You can see little dots. If you can see a little dot in the distance, that is a nearby fireworks display going off. It must be probably Hutton Rugby, probably. And that was one which I went to a few years ago, actually. Oh, there's another one going off in the corner. But, yeah, wait for it, look at this. That is my tea cooking on the bonfire. Well, I wish it was, actually. Well, I wish it was, if there was somebody on there. Actually. If you had a live person on that bonfire, they'll be like, anyway, yeah, oh, looks good right over there. Looks good to eat on there. It's all there. Anyway, yeah, come and go closer in. You know what? As status quo say, if they say down, deeper and down, they should, yeah, they should have made a equal song called right. In, deeper and in, in, deeper than in, deeper and in. You know, wait a minute. Oh, just saw a nearby display going off in the corner. I'm gonna get it for you. Let's get to the warm Arctic breeze of the Greenland moose. I'm joking. Anyway, I just saw another display go off in the corner somewhere. See this. Oh, it's coming over this way, mate. Oh, I've just noticed this Bonfire Night's going. Actually, the display is blowing that way a bit. I can see on the smoke. Might burn that caravan there down to the ground, although we can't see it.
Imagine the bonfire. Twice the size of this.
When I was at the charity shop today, there was one member of staff who was in today who said she's scared of fireworks. Woo! That's the spirit! Wow. Oh, is that the end of it already? Well, bye-bye. See you again next year, if it is. Oh, no, it isn't. Okay. Well, I'm certainly saving it for the best of this, for the best parts of this display. Ah, this will surprise this dessert. What's for dessert? Huge finale, they're fabulous. It's the dessert for this. Oh, that's on overdrive, that. Having a bit of fun there with angles. That's new for this year.
Yeah.
Are you scared? No, I'm not scared. Oh, double whammy! Ow! Oh. Oh, my finger's feeling a bit numb a bit. Anyway, no, what? Time to go this year. We enjoyed it. We enjoyed it. One last look.
Hi!
Say bye. Bye.
Happy Bonfire Night.
It's not me, Bonfire.
Okay, well, happy New Bonfire.
The Ace of Spades.
The Ace of Spades.
I enjoyed it very much, but then I am a ghost. I'm a ghost.
Do you mind see it at Christmas next time, probably? Maybe Christmas. Probably Christmas Day. Oh. And also, and you know what? My iPod Nano is about to cook off any second now. So this is the last video of Bonfire Night 2011. Well, not really, but we're saying it is. You know what? Everyone was here.